For this project, you'll need a magazine, scissors, ruler, pencil, pen, and a glue stick. Place the magazine on your work table. Measure 2 inches up from the bottom of the left edge. Draw a horizontal line across the front cover. Rotate the magazine 90 degrees clockwise. Cut through the front cover and the first 5 or 6 pages. Cut through the rest of the magazine 6 to 8 pages at a time. When you cut the last few pages and cover, you should be able to cut through the spine. Set aside the rest of the magazine. Find the center and open the magazine. Place it face down on the table so the front and back cover are face up. Place a pencil on top of the front cover and roll the cover around the pencil, adding glue to the cover as you roll it around. Stop about a ½ inch from the spine of the magazine. Remove the pencil. Add glue. Fold the back cover in half. Roll the folded cover towards the spine so the diameter is approximately ½ inch. Add glue to hold the roll in place. Place a pencil inside the paper roll and push down so the glue can take hold of the paper. Add glue. Fold a page in half. Add glue to the inside of the folded edge. Pull the folded edge over the rolled section so it touches the spine. Starting with the opposite side, repeat step 3 times, alternating sides, and moving the folded edge further away from the spine by a ½ inch each time. This gives shape to the bird's head. Fold page in half, then unfold the page. Pull the edge over the head so it touches the spine. Open the page and add glue to the inside fold. Pinch the fold. Pull the edge of the page to the spine. Add glue to the inside of the page. This is the beginning of the beak. Fold the tip of the beak a ¼ inch and glue it in place. Repeat this step 3 more times. Be sure to alternate sides to ensure the overall symmetry of the head and beak, but you will not fold the tip. That was only for the first folded page of the beak to give it a slightly wider base. For the wings, loosely fold the individual pages in half, pulling the edges toward the spine. If the pages aren't staying in place, add glue to the inside of the base of the fold. For the tail, you'll need about 10 pages on each side. Use the pencil to curl the pages. Start with the outer pages and roll them close to the top edge of the wings. Add glue to the page edges if you want to keep the curls in place. To maintain symmetry, be sure to alternate sides. As you get closer to the middle, make the curls bigger. The final touch is adding a curl around the bird's neck. Using a pencil, curl the top folded page on the left and right side. Your bird is now ready to take flight.